Are you glad to be back?
That was too steep for the RV.
Oh, this one right here?
Yeah,
None of them seem too steep.
No.
Alright, we are headed to the bar. What is it called again?
Ski Inn.
Ski Inn, that's right. Ugh, that is kind of steep with that hump there. Wow, what's going on there? That's different. Oh, it's a pirate ship.
There's an Archer water tank.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my brakes are squeaky. Must be from the dust.
Lowest bar on the
Alright, we are here. Oop, I'll park over here. Oh, look at it. They've got pretty bougainvillea up front. Always like those plants, but I can't grow them back at home. Oh, what an interesting place. Wow, look at all the dollar bills everywhere. There Chuck and Dave are, like, eating away. And look! It's Jimmy! Yeah, look at the walls and the ceiling. It's just, like, completely covered. They got a pool room back here. Or a game room. Well, darts and pool. Oh, no, they have a pinball machine. Oh, I love it. They have an outdoor patio. So tropical looking. Isn't this cool? We should come eat out here. So I told everybody, and I think we are going to sit out here. Look at this. Oh my god, that's awesome and amazing. Hey, look. They have my patio set. Nice. I thought it might be windy out here, but it's not. They have it blocked off pretty nicely. Isn't it awesome? Look at all the tables back there. It is huge back here. Oh, I love that fountain. I need that back at home. Okay, so this is their menu here. I think I'm gonna get the chicken sandwich.
Yeah, I've decided what you're getting, so.
Okay. Oh look, they even have t-shirts here for skiing in Bombay Beach. Dang, they're out of fish. I would have probably done that instead. Free water. They are dog friendly, so we decided to bring the pups in. What are y'all smelling, huh? What did Jimmy give you, huh? Oh, what was it? Bacon, 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 bacon. It wasn't windy when we first got here, but the wind did pick up out there, so we decided to move inside. And look, they have a tip jar for in here.
I get a tip for it.
Yeah, I don't need your tip.
Never eat yellow snow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good tip, actually.
Don't piss into the wind.
Oh, yeah, that's an even better one. Are you listening, Chuck?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, it's getting somewhat busy in here.
I'm gonna say.
I got the chicken sandwich with the tater tots, and then Jeff got the hamburger. Oh, is that the patty melt? That's a patty melt with french fries.
Yeah.
What did you get? Y'all just got the hamburgers, right?
I got the classic cheeseburger, everything on it. We got identical.
Oh, okay, cool. This actually looks really good, and it's toasted. Actually, I don't think I need a.
I don't need a.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, let's see how it is. Jimmy said they like kind of smash it flat, like a smash burger. Really good.
We had a backstory, so skips would be
What was that? Alright, well, that was fun. I enjoyed myself there. I'm gonna head back to camp. It's starting to get dark already. Look, someone's having a fire and there's couches. It's called the Ski Inn Open Bar. What you think, Kellogg? What you think, huh? Okay, we're back. So I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. If you want to check out more videos, they'll be right over here. Or you can subscribe if you haven't already. Or check out Patreon. We'll see you next time. Mwah. I guess no fire tonight. It's way too windy. Look at the crazy mutts.